Imagine this for a second. It's Monday morning, you open your laptop, and instead of spending the first 4 hours copying and pasting data or manually clicking through 1,000 web pages, you just press one button. You go grab a coffee, come back, and all that work is done, flawlessly. That isn't science fiction anymore. That is exactly what we do at MK Nexus. It's about taking the robot out of the human.
Exactly. Welcome back to MMK Nexus, the place where we connect technology with real-world business growth. I'm your co-host, and sitting across from me today is the founder of MK Nexus and our resident automation expert, Maqsood. Mohammed, welcome to the mic.
Thank you. I'm really excited to be here. Today is special because we're finally pulling back the curtain on something I've been working on for years: browser automation.
This is a huge topic. I think a lot of people hear automation and they get scared. They think it's too complex or it's going to break their computer. But today, our goal is to show you how this tech can scale your business and honestly give you your life back.
Right. My goal today is simple. If you are running a business or you have a side hustle, I want to show you how a custom browser-based tool can be your best employee. An employee that works 24/7 and never asks for a raise.
I love that, the employee that never sleeps. So let's start at the very beginning. For the audience members who aren't coders, what exactly is browser automation?
Great question. So think about everything you do in a web browser. Chrome, Firefox, Edge. You click buttons, you type into search bars, you copy text, you download files.
Yeah, pretty much all day long.
Exactly. Now, browser automation is simply creating a script or a bot that mimics those exact human actions, but it does it at lightning speed and with zero errors. Whether it's logging into a supplier's website to check inventory or scraping thousands of leads from a directory, the bot does it exactly as you would, just faster.
So it's not hacking. It's not doing anything illegal.
No, not at all. It's just interacting with the website the same way a human would. The difference is the efficiency. For example, if you need to check the prices of 500 products on Amazon to compare with your own store, a human would take, 2 days?
Easily. And they'd probably make mistakes after the 50th item because it's so boring.
Precisely. The tools I build at MK Nexus can do that same task in minutes. It opens the browser, goes to the link, grabs the price, saves it to an Excel sheet, and moves to the next one.
Okay, that brings me to the why. We have a worldwide audience listening right now. People from the US, UK, Asia, everywhere. What are the signs that a business needs your help?
The biggest sign is repetition. If you or your team are doing the exact same sequence of clicks every single day, you are wasting money.
Can you give us a concrete example? Maybe something recent you worked on?
Sure. I recently had a client who runs a lead generation agency. Their team was manually going on to Yellow Pages and other directories, copying names, finding emails, and pasting them into a CRM.
That sounds painful.
It was. They were spending about 20 hours a week just on data entry. They weren't even selling. They were just copy-pasting. So they reached out to me. I built them a custom browser automation tool. Now they just feed the tool a list of search criteria. The tool visits the profiles, extracts the public data, validates the email, and populates their database.
Wow, so what did they do with those extra 20 hours?
They started selling. Their revenue went up by 40% in 2 months because they stopped being data entry clerks and started being salespeople. That is the power of the tools I built. It's not just code, it's business leverage.
That's incredible. It really highlights that time is money. But Mohammed, a lot of people might think, can't I just buy a generic software subscription for that? Why come to you for a custom tool?
That's the catch with generic software. It's one size fits all, but your business isn't generic. Maybe you need to scrape data from a very specific niche site. Maybe you need the bot to filter data in a very specific way before saving it. Generic tools break when things get complicated. When you order a custom tool from my LinkedIn profile, I build it specifically for your workflow. It fits your business like a tailored suit.
I love that analogy, a tailored suit versus off the rack. So let's say there is a business owner listening right now. They are drowning in spreadsheets. They want this solution. How does the process work at MK Nexus?
It's very straightforward. I believe in keeping things simple. Step 1, you identify the task you hate doing, the boring, repetitive stuff. Step 2, you go to the description of this video and click my LinkedIn profile link.
And the answer is usually yes?
99% of the time, yes. Once we discuss the requirement, I design the architecture. I use robust technologies, Python, Selenium, Playwright, whatever fits the job best. I build the tool, I test it rigorously, and then I deliver it to you.
Do they need to be tech wizards to run the tool you make?
Not at all. That is my specialty. I build user-friendly interfaces. You usually just have to double-click an icon, maybe upload a file, and hit Start. I provide a video guide with every order to ensure you know exactly how to use it.
We are living in the age of AI. How does MK Nexus integrate with things like ChatGPT or AI?
This is where it gets really exciting. Browser automation used to just be click and copy. Now, with AI, we can do click, analyze, and write. For example, I can build a tool that not only scrapes a customer review, but uses AI to understand the sentiment, isn't happy or angry, and then drafts a personalized reply for you to approve.
So it's intelligent automation now.
Exactly. We are moving from simple tasks to intelligent workflows. If you have an idea that involves AI and the web, reach out to me. We're building the future right now at MK Nexus.
I think a lot of people realize they've been working harder, not smarter. Mohammed, before we sign off, what is the one piece of advice you have for entrepreneurs watching this?
My advice is audit your time. Take 1 week, write down everything you do. Circle the things that are repetitive. Those circled items are keeping you from growing. Send those to me, let me automate them, and focus on building your empire.
Powerful stuff. All right, guys, you heard the man. Do not let manual work kill your business growth. If you want a custom browser-based tool that punches way above its weight class, you know where to go.
Check the link in the description. My LinkedIn profile is there. Connect with me, send me a DM, and let's build something amazing for your business.
And don't forget to subscribe to MMK Nexus. We are going to be bringing more tech insights, more tutorials, and more ways to level up your workflow. Like this video if you learned something new.
Thank you for listening. This is Maqsood signing off.
See you in the next one.